Alright, this is the oil change. See the engine over there. There's usually a plate, like a thing over here, but you have to remove that first. And then underneath, you're going to see right there, that right there. Look, your dipsticks right there. And then that's over there. See, that screw came from over there. You take that out, and the oil just starts dripping on. What you know you should do? You should heat up your engine before, so it makes the oil more liquidy and stuff, you know? So heat up your engine so that the oil could just drip out more, it comes out more easily, and wipe away all the old oil. See, like all this, I'm gonna wipe this off just right now. One more thing, you know? See, after you take out the oil, just pour the bike. Look, it didn't tip the bike. Tip the bike. See, watch this. Watch how you tip the bike. See that? More oil starts to drip out. See, just make sure you just keep doing that. You're gonna get out all the oil. Do it as many times as necessary. Alright, see this over here? This is where the dipstick is, right? So, take that out. Put it in front of you. Get for this bike, the ZM2, the X22, you get motor oil for a single cylinder, 4-stroke. Back in the manual. Single cylinder, 4-stroke air cooling engine. Now the oil I got for that was Formula 1 premium 4-stroke motor oil, motorcycle oil. So, but you can get any other one that is for that same type of engine. I said single cylinder, 4-stroke air cooling. Alright, well I already started putting some in there. I have to put a little more. I'm putting it in till like I'm able to see lipstick. Like, you know, pour some in and then I check. So for anywhere between that triangle line. Okay, so I put the oil in, now I'm going to check. That's alright. I put a little bit, it's better to put less into because less pressure in the engine and for better performance and shit like that, you know? I don't know the details, but I heard that somewhere. So, but it has to be between the line. Between the line. Not too much, or sorry, put too much pressure in the engine. So, this is tight. Make sure there's no leaks coming from down here. Check with your finger, wipe it off with a piece of paper towel, check with your finger. Oh, that's how much oil there was. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, and one more thing. If you're gonna oil change, use some loose paper or something. Let's look at that. You know what made me realize to use some newspapers?